Hey guys, Chris Valdez with Horizon Consulting Partners here in South Florida, here in Davie. We're at Ella. It's a coffee shop. It's a franchise. I happened to stumble across it and I asked them, is there any other locations? I said, it's a franchise. Like, I've never heard of this place. So I researched. I'm like, wow, it's a really small emerging brand and it's really quaint. It's really nice. Customers are in here, so we want to be quiet. But the nice thing is this is how brands get started. I'm a franchise owner. I'm in franchising. We help people like you look into new concepts. Starting a new concept or starting a business is extremely hard. It takes an entrepreneur, takes a tremendous amount of risk and capital to give you the systems, softwares, and everything you need to be able to employ a franchise in your local market. If you're looking into franchising, Horizon Consulting Partners guides you every step of the way to understanding what's the right fit. Whether you're a single mom, maybe you've lost your job, maybe you're a military veteran, maybe you want a career change. We help guide you to help you understand how to get franchised. Just miles from this location, I have tons of customers. Our lending parcel of the SBA's there at Fort Lauderdale. I do a tremendous amount of work with them. So we help you with lending, attorneys, CPAs, and so much more to help guide you through learning. If there's no risk in learning, you shouldn't have any dear buying. We educate you. We don't sell businesses to you. We educate you on what it takes to be a real business owner. Give us a call. Give me, Damiel, or Jayla a call at 864-638-1046. Talk to you soon.